and welcome to another video by Zyen. I'm a physics teacher by day and dance teacher by night. In this video, we're going to learn a K-pop choreography, and this is under the ladies K-pop umbrella because it's for adult ladies. But if you're not a lady, feel free to learn this anyway. Now, this is not my choreography. It's a choreography that we have tried to match as closely as possible to Lisa's actual dance in the music video. So some moves may be a bit similar, some moves may not, but we've tried to get it as close as possible so you can even follow Lisa in her original dance video. Now, because the moves actually match the music, I can't really put numbers to it, so I'm just going to describe the moves as we go along. In this video, we're going to learn the moves to most of the song. In my class, we didn't learn the entire choreography, so I will stop the learning up to where we covered in class. Intro starts from the bottom. We'll let the first 8 roll by first, and then 1, 2, 3, and up. First part, it's the end of the month. It's the weekend. Boom, tap, drop, and a slap, and a slap. Tap the chest. Chicken wing, give the money, chicken wing, hands and walk, walk, and give more money.
It's the end of the month and the weekend. I'ma spend this track, everything on me, yeah. I'ma tip myself, I'ma spend it on myself. I'ma drop it like it's pouring, I'ma pour it on myself. Check, 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 check the money making.
Next part. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7, 8, and then up and cross, jump back, open, and knees to the hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Drop it down, double, stand up, chink, chink.
Check, 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 check the money making bank account number. That's the shit that's never getting bounced on your bitch. I do the money dance. I just made 100 bands. When the stars say sign for it, I'ma leave my autograph. Dollar bills.
Next section, dollar bills, dollar bills. Keep it falling. For me, I love the way it feels. Dollar bills, dollar bills. And then together with the hip, step back. I came here to
Autograph. Dollar bills, won't you falling for me? I love the way that feels. Dollar bills, keep on falling for me. I love the way it feels. I came here to drop some money.
chorus, drop some money, tap, tap, and wave. Double hip, and turn, and walk, walk, walk. Double, bring it down, double, single, single, shake the shoulder. Together, open, clap, clap, walk back, walk back, walk back.
For me, I love the way it feels. I came here to drop some money, dropping all my money. Drop some money, all this stuff so yummy, yeah. Twerking, when I buy the things I like. Dollars dropping on my ass tonight. Everyone silent.
Stop. Everyone, silent. Listen to my mommy talk. If you have pigtails, we better. Spend how I like it. And then step back. Roll, roll, and give money. Bring it down. Double pop. Give me the hell what I want. Give me the hell what I want.
On my ass tonight. Everyone silent. Listen to my money talk. Spend how I like it. Yeah, everyone know what I mean. When it's a green, that mean go. Give me what the hell I want. Give me what the hell I want. Check the money making bank account.
And out, and in, and bank account, and step it side. Pop, pop, and out, and up on your balls. Boom, boom. Do the money dance. Money dance. Back, forward, and back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Open to the side. Nyeh, nyeh, nyeh.
Give me what the hell I want. Check the money making bank account number. That's the shit that's never getting bounced on your bitch. I do the money dance. I just made 100 bands. When the star says sign for it, I'ma leave my autograph. Dollar bills.
Next. Dollar bills. Dollar bills. Keep it falling. For me, I love the way it feels. Dollar bills. Dollar bills. And then keep it falling. For me, I love the way it feels. I came here to drop.
Leave my autograph. Dollar bills, dollar bills. Want you falling for me? I love the way that feels. Dollar bills, keep on falling for me. I love the way it feels. I came here to drop.
I came here to drop some money. Repeat the chorus. To the side, hip, hip, turn, and walk, 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 double, bring it down, double, single, single, double, shake together, and a clap, clap, walk, 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 and we stop here in our class.
The way it feels. I came here to drop some money, dropping all my money, drop some money, all this stuff so yummy, yeah. Twerking, when I buy the things I like. Dollars dropping on my ass tonight.
Drop some money, dropping all my money. Drop some money, all this stuff so yummy, yeah.
Drop some money, dropping all my money. Drop some money, all this stuff so yummy, yeah.